So today in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a highlight cover for your Instagram pages. Either you are a business or you have your own individual page, or you are a blogger. So you'll be just making a highlight cover in 2 to 3 steps. It would be very easy and it would add colors to your feed, and it would look very sophisticated, make your profile look more good and organized. Okay, now so I am creating the customized size for it, and here it is available already, so you don't need to add the sizes and everything. It makes your work more easier. Now you just have to wait for it until it gets sorted. Here it is. Now this would be a blank page for you all, and for this you have to create now. Firstly, I will be choosing a background for myself. So for girls it would be more preferable that they choose pink or white sort of colors, and for boys it would be black and blue and everything. Whatever color choices you have, it's up to you. So here I'm moving on. I'll be choosing a marble background because for my clients, whenever I make it, they really like it because it looks more sophisticated and good. So here I am deciding my background, whatever sort of you can take from graphics as well and the photos as well. Photos might be more preferable because their pixels and everything is more accurate rather than the graphics. It might not look good as much as these. Okay, now I'll be making it a bit transparent so that the animation is popped on it and the background is not more highlighted. Okay, if I might be making a highlight cover of my traveling pictures in which I have all my travel pictures, so this will be the thing that I'll be choosing, travel icon. Okay, from here you have ample amount of choices, whatever kind of background you want. You might choose colored one as well or a black and white, so it's up to you, it's up to your choices and everything. And you can find any sort of graphic available for your travel highlights. So this is the one I like the most. I'll be adding 2 to 3 things more in it to make it look more good. It's up to you however you want to design it. So here it is. I'll be adding a passport as well. I believe that it would look more good. So I'll fix it here. Minimizing it into the size. Here it is, and you are done. So if you like my video, please comment down below and wait for the next upcoming tutorial. Bye.